I'll show you the best settings to run FIFA 17 smoothly on any low-end PC. Let's jump straight into it. Open the File Explorer and navigate to the game folder. After you are in the game folder, open the FIFA setup folder and scroll down and double click on this FIFA config application and select yes and select the game settings option. Resolution, click on the drop down and select 1280 into 720 and select the full screen. Rendering quality set to low. MSWA options off. Frame rate set to no limit and select OK to save changes. And just exit it and go to documents and open the FIFA 17 folder and right click on the FIFA setup and select edit in notepad and MSWA level set to 0. Rendering quality set to 0 and select file and select save and it's going to be saved. Now you can launch the game and now you can enjoy the game on a very low end PC. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.